Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammed
Walaikum
Ahmed
salam.
and I'm a student of teacher training batch 6 at Rehan School. Today I'm going to have a 10-minute conversation with ChatGPT about how to build a strong personal brand online. In today's digital world, personal branding helps us showcase our skills, knowledge, interests, and unique personality. Through this conversation, we will learn how to create a positive online presence, connect with the right audience, and build trust through valuable and authentic content. So let's begin.
Sounds great.
What is a personal brand and why is it important in today's digital world?
A personal brand is basically how people see you online. It's your skills, your personality, and your values combined into a clear identity. It's important because it helps you stand out, attract opportunities, and build trust with the right people so that whether you're job hunting, freelancing, or networking, folks know who you are and what you stand for.
Okay, so how can someone identify their strengths, skills, and unique qualities?
Start by reflecting on what people already come to you for, like asking friends or colleagues what they think you do really well. Then look at your hobbies, side projects, even small wins that make you proud. Those patterns usually point to your natural strengths
So, why is having a clear purpose important when building a personal brand?
because purpose is what guides your choices. Without it, your content and actions can feel super random. With purpose, you know what to say, what to skip, and which opportunities actually fit who you are and where you're going.
And how can students and beginners start building their personal brand online?
Start simple. Pick one platform you like, maybe LinkedIn or Instagram. Share what you're learning, your small projects or little insights. Use a consistent profile photo, a short bio that says what you're about, and be genuine. No need to overpolish. Just be consistent and authentic.
Which social media platforms are best for building a personal brand?
It really depends on your goals. LinkedIn is great for professional stuff, like career and freelancing. Instagram works well for creative fields and visual storytelling. YouTube is awesome for deep dives if you enjoy teaching or explaining. Pick one where your audience hangs out and that you actually enjoy using.
Which type of content should we create to develop a strong online presence?
Helpful stuff. Short tips, little stories from your journey, and examples of work in progress. People like seeing the real process, not just the perfect end result. Also, be consistent with your voice and posting cadence.
How important is consistency when building a personal brand?
Super important. Consistency builds trust. When people see the same clear message and steady presence, they remember you. You don't need to post every day. You just need to show up regularly with content that matches your purpose so folks know what to expect from you.
Why is authenticity important in personal branding?
Because people can spot fake a mile away. When you're authentic, showing your real voice, even quirks and all, you build a deeper trust. That trust is what turns casual scrollers into supporters and supporters into opportunities.
How can we make our social media profiles look professional and trustworthy?
Start with a clear photo of you, not a logo. Use a simple banner or cover image that fits your focus. Write a short bio that says what you do and what you're interested in. And keep links clean and up to date. Tone wise, be friendly, clear, and consistent. No oversharing or random rants. And think twice before posting anything super personal.
can storytelling help make a personal brand more memorable?
Add a human touch. Share short personal stories about challenges you've actually faced. Help people with bite sized how to's. And maybe use a consistent color or style so people recognize your posts at a glance. You know, but don't overdo the filters. People tend to connect with real more than perfect.
Okay, what are some common mistakes people make when building their personal brand?
A few big ones: trying to be everywhere at once, copying others instead of finding your own angle, and deleting mistakes so fast that you never show any growth. Don't ghost your audience for months, then pop back like nothing happened. Consistency beats intensity.
And how can AI and modern technology help us improve our personal brand?
Use tools to make it easier, like simple design apps for clean graphics, analytics to see what content works, and scheduling tools so you show up consistently without burning yourself out. But don't let the tech lead the message. Your voice and purpose should still come first.
How can we grow our audience while remaining authentic?
Talk to your niche, not to everyone. Engage, reply to comments, ask questions, collaborate with peers in your space, and share content that genuinely helps, even if it's small. Growth that sticks is slow, steady, and rooted in trust.
Uh, how can we measure the success of our personal branding efforts?
Look at engagement quality. Are the right people commenting or reaching out? Are you getting opportunities that match your goals? And does your content still feel like you? If those are yes, you're on track.
What is the most important advice you would give to someone starting their personal brand journey today?
Be patient and be yourself. Pick one place to show up, share what you're learning, help people, and let your brand grow naturally. It's a marathon, not a sprint.
Okay, thank you, ChatGPT, for sharing such valuable insights about building a strong personal brand online. We learned that personal branding is about being authentic, consistent, and proving value to others. I also learned that by sharing our skills, knowledge, creativity, and unique ideas, we can build a positive and trustworthy digital identity. This conversation has helped us understanding that building a strong personal brand takes time, patience, consistency, and continuous learning. Thank you for being a part of this learning experience.
You're very welcome.